Alright, well, see, we got a camera right up there. I'm not even sure if it's aimed right. I think it is, but it's taking a time lapse, so let's hope that that time lapse comes out. But just in case, I'm not only videotaping this for YouTube, I'm videotaping this because it's my third Jeep, and I've got some pictures and videos of my second. I got nothing in my first, and I want to make sure I got as much documented of this guy I can, so when I'm an old fucker, you know, I can look back and, you know, just look back and reminisce and know that I was once kind of cool-ish to myself. So yeah. Need something on this side. I need to get it before she tips. Like it just did. Fuck. Now that wasn't supposed to happen.